Platinum Tech's 13-piece 3/8-inch drive metric ratcheting crowfoot set offers 13 metric sizes and includes a 10-inch extension. This set offers a 72-tooth gear for micro ratcheting in tight spaces. It has a convenient sliding switch button to quickly change ratcheting direction. Includes a 10-inch extension for extra reach. It also meets or exceeds ANSI specifications. The patented spherical spline design works on 6 different fastener types. These wrenches feature a high polish, chrome-plated vanadium steel for good looks and exceptional strength. For more information on this product, or to see the full line of Platinum Tech products, please visit atdtools.com.